Ever wondered how confined spaces can spark the most ingenious solutions? Welcome to the world of prison inventions. When the four walls of a cell close in, the human mind has a remarkable way of breaking free. It's a testament to the adaptability and creativity of people, even in the most challenging environments. In prisons where resources are scarce and restrictions aplenty, inmates have to get crafty. It's not just about survival. It's about maintaining a semblance of normalcy, finding a way to express, connect, and even learn. Over the years, this necessity has given birth to some of the most astounding inventions. From makeshift tattoo guns to secret communication devices, the ingenuity of these confined minds is nothing short of extraordinary. Hey, fellow explorers, it's Rob here, your navigator through the astonishing innovations and secrets that history has tucked away. Before we dive into today's epic tale, make sure to smash that subscribe button and become a part of our Time Capsule Rewind family. Today, we'll unveil the top 9 most incredible prison inventions, so buckle up. It's going to be an intriguing ride. Kicking off at number 9, we have the tattoo guns, a popular form of self-expression behind bars. The creation of these tools is a testament to the ingenuity that thrives even in the most unlikely places. Constructed from everyday items like a pen, a small motor, and a bit of wire, these tattoo guns have become a cornerstone of prison culture. Tattoos in the world outside the bars are often seen as a form of art, or a way to express one's identity, but within the prison community, they take on a deeper significance. They can represent affiliation, achievements, or even a coded narrative of the inmate's journey through the criminal justice system. This is not just about getting inked. It's about resourcefulness, it's about resilience, and it's about making a mark in a world that often seems to erase the individual. So, next time you see a prison tattoo, remember the creativity and resourcefulness that went into its creation. At number 8, we have the infamous paper mache dummies. Sounds like a Hollywood movie, doesn't it? Well, truth is stranger than fiction, my friends. These dummies were not used for a play or a performance, but for something far more daring: escape attempts. Let's rewind to the year 1962. Alcatraz, the inescapable fortress. 3 inmates, Frank Morris, John Anglin, and Clarence Anglin, hatched an ingenious plan. They sculpted lifelike heads using soap, toilet paper, and real hair, and tucked these dummies into their beds. The guards were none the wiser, and the trio managed to escape, their whereabouts still a mystery. Papier-mâché dummies may seem like child's play, but in the hands of these inmates, they became tools of trickery and illusion. Artistry or deception, papier-mâché dummies are certainly a testament to the audacity and wit of inmates. Coming in at number 7, we have the makeshift stoves and heaters. Now, these aren't your everyday kitchen appliances. They're a testament to the ingenuity of those behind bars, crafted from the simplest of items like cans and wires. Imagine, in the chilly depths of a prison cell, the warmth of a self-made heater. It's a beacon of comfort in an otherwise cold environment. But these contraptions aren't just for warmth. They also serve a vital role in the preparation of hot food, a simple luxury that can bring a taste of home into the stark reality of prison life. Picture this: a warm cup of ramen noodles, cooked on a stove fashioned from a soda can and some stripped electrical wire. It's a small slice of normalcy in a world that's anything but. In the face of adversity, the human spirit finds ways to create comfort, and these makeshift stoves and heaters are a shining example of that resilience. At number 6, we delve into the darker side of prison inventions with makeshift weapons. The prison environment, as one might imagine, isn't exactly a walk in the park. It's a place where survival instincts are pushed to the limit, and the need for self-defense becomes paramount. This harsh reality gives birth to a wide array of improvised weapons. They can be as simple as a toothbrush, whittled down to a sharp point, known as a shank, or as complex as a slingshot crafted from rubber bands and a spoon. Don't let the simplicity fool you, though. These are tools created out of necessity, born from the human instinct to survive against all odds. They serve as a stark reminder of the lengths to which individuals will go when pushed into a corner. A grim reality of prison life, these weapons are a stark reminder of the lengths humans can go to for survival. Halfway through our list at number 5, we have the illicit yet fascinating alcohol brews. Now, we're not suggesting you try this at home, but it's hard not to marvel at the ingenuity and resourcefulness involved in brewing alcohol behind bars. With limited resources and under constant scrutiny, prisoners have devised ways to concoct their own prison hooch, also known as pruno. The process usually involves fermenting fruit, sugar, and yeast, often scavenged from the kitchen or commissary. The mixture is then stored in a concealed spot, like inside a mattress or in a hollowed-out book, and left to ferment for about a week. The result? A potent brew that's far from fine wine but gets the job done. From grapefruit wines to applejack, prison brews are a testament to human ingenuity and the universal pursuit of leisure. It's a risky endeavor, sure, but it also highlights the lengths people will go to for a taste of freedom, however fleeting. At number 4, we have the ingenious communication devices. Ever heard of the jailhouse telephone? That's right, inmates have found ways to create their own communication systems. These makeshift telephones made from everyday items like cans and string have been used to transmit messages from cell to cell, but that's not all. In the absence of electronic devices, prisoners have also resorted to good old-fashioned coded messages. These codes, which can be as simple as a set of knocks on a wall or as complex as a secret language, allow inmates to share information without being detected. Communication is a vital human need, and in a setting where every conversation is monitored, these covert methods become essential. Prisoners have to be creative, using their resources and their wits to keep in touch. In an environment where communication is restricted, inmates find ways to connect, proving that necessity truly is the mother of invention. On the podium at number 3, we have concealment devices. Now, in a setting where every corner is under watchful eyes, prisoners have had to think outside the box, quite literally, to create hiding spots. Imagine the classic hollowed-out book, a trope in many a mystery novel, being used in real life to stash away items. And it doesn't stop there. The creativity extends to secret compartments in seemingly everyday objects. Picture a harmless toothpaste tube, but with a twist. It's not just minty freshness inside, but perhaps a hidden note or a precious photo. It's not just about hiding contraband, mind you. For some, these concealment devices are a way to preserve a shred of personal space, a tiny corner of the world to call their own. In a world where privacy is scarce, concealment devices offer a semblance of control and protection. They are a testament to human ingenuity and the enduring desire for a touch of freedom, even behind bars. Just missing the top spot at number 2, we have art and craft. In the stark confines of prison cells, creativity finds a way. It's fascinating to see how inmates channel their time and energy into creating stunning pieces of art. Their canvas? Anything they can get their hands on. From intricate drawings on the backs of letters and envelopes to breathtaking sculptures made from soap or matchsticks, these creations are a testament to the resilience and inventiveness of the human spirit. Often these works of art depict their world as they see it, with all its harsh realities and occasional glimmers of hope. Some even become proficient artisans, mastering the craft of tattooing or origami. These skills not only serve as a creative outlet, but also a potential means of livelihood upon their release. In the bleakest of environments, the human spirit finds a way to express itself through art. And finally, at number 1, we have education tools. Education, even within the confines of a prison cell, is a beacon of hope. It's an escape from the harsh realities of incarceration, a tool for rehabilitation, and a stepping stone towards a better future. The prisoners' thirst for knowledge is so strong that they've come up with ingenious ways to facilitate their learning. Take, for instance, the handmade dictionaries. Crafted meticulously from scraps of paper, these dictionaries serve as a testament to the human spirit's resilience. Each word, carefully penned down, is a step towards broadening their world, one definition at a time. Then there are the improvised study materials. From makeshift flashcards to hand-drawn diagrams, these tools are a testament to the determination of the incarcerated to improve their lives, despite their circumstances. With limited resources, prisoners have created tools to educate themselves, truly proving that knowledge is power. And that, folks, was our countdown of the top 9 most impressive prison inventions. From the ingenious tattoo guns that bring art to life, to the papier-mâché dummies that have fooled many a guard, we've marveled at the resourcefulness of makeshift stoves and heaters, the lethal creativity behind homemade weapons, and the tenacity of those brewing their own alcohol. We've explored the depths of human adaptability with communication and concealment devices, and admired the beauty of art and craft born behind bars. Lastly, we celebrated the power of education tools, proving that even within confinement, the thirst for knowledge persists. These creations speak volumes about human ingenuity, about our innate ability to adapt and make the most of our circumstances, however dire they may be. If you enjoyed this journey into the world of Prison Inventions, don't forget to hit that like button, follow us for more intriguing content, and subscribe to our channel. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring.